Multiply 17.85 by 96 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 8 plus the carried 3 is 51. Put 1 in this column and carry 5. 6 times 7 plus the carried 5 is 47. Put 7 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 1 plus the carried 4 is 10. The first partial product is 10,710. Now use the next digit to the left, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 5 is 45. Put 5 in this column and carry 4. 9 times 8 plus the carried 4 is 76. Put 6 in this column and carry 7. 9 times 7 plus the carried 7 is 70. Put 0 in this column and carry 7. 9 times 1 plus the carried 7 is 16. The second partial product is 160,650. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 1 plus 5 is 6. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 6 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 0 plus the carried 1 is 1. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 6 is 7. In the 100,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 171,360. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 171,360 becomes 1,713.60. That is simply 1,713.6. So 17.85 times 96 is 1,713.6.